Oil, the driving force behind our modern society. Refineries and petrochemical companies process oil into a multitude of different products. Basic crude oil is supplied via pipelines and tankers and is pumped into tank farms. The impurities and sediments contained in the crude oil are deposited on the tank bottom and can result in a reduction in storage capacities over time. The storage tanks must be cleaned during the course of regular inspections. However, conventional cleaning methods on open tanks give rise to considerable problems. Cleaning often takes a number of months, and the costs of disposing of the large volumes of sludge are enormous. In addition, the associated unavoidable pollutant emissions not only harm the environment, but also endanger the health of the cleaning staff. Buchen Umweltservice has the solution for the problem. The group employs almost 2,000 staff who are engaged in industrial service, waste disposal and remediation throughout Europe. Buchen is an innovative company certified in all areas. Buchen has been using automated tank cleaning technologies since the 90s. It has developed and optimized its own method on the basis of these experiences. The result? The BTS closed tank cleaning system. We'll explain how this system operates using the example of cleaning a crude oil tank. The principle of BTS is to liquefy the entire tank content, using the crude oil as a flushing agent, separating the impurities and making the cleaned crude oil available to the refinery. This occurs in a closed system without any risk to staff or environment. The crude oil is extracted from the tank by the suction module via a duo filter. The flushing agent is then heated in the heat exchanger and pumped via the pressure module into the closed circular pipeline installed on the tank roof. Jet washers with three-dimensional action, which are connected to the circular pipeline, flush the heated oil into the sludge and liquefy it. The tank is completely closed during this process and filled with nitrogen to exclude any risk of explosion. The atmosphere in the tank is monitored fully automatically throughout the flushing process. The innovative Buchen BTS tank cleaning system can be transported quickly and easily in containers. On site, the containers are positioned next to the storage tanks that need to be cleaned. The BTS system is completely assembled in a very short time. The connection lines are coupled via quick-release couplings. A defined number of jet washers is inserted into the guiding pipes of the previously dismounted tank roof supports. After commissioning, the suction module extracts the crude oil from the tank via the duo filter. The flushing agent, heated in the heat exchanger, is pumped into the circular pipeline via the pressure module. The jet washers are connected to the circular pipeline at defined intervals. The nitrogen is supplied via a separate connection on the tank roof. Buchen installs its own mobile nitrogen plant if required. A fully automatic monitoring system with emergency stop function continuously monitors the oxygen content in the tank. The hydrocarbon concentration in the tank atmosphere is also continuously monitored and recorded. The jet washers with three-dimensional action perform their work inside the closed tank. The heated flushing oil liquefies the sludge, which is sucked into the BTS system again and pumped back into the circuit. The recovered oil is carefully monitored in spot checks and delivered to the refinery for further processing. Depending on the required oil quality, the residual sediments are separated by decanting. A small quantity of non-usable inorganic substances is then properly disposed of. The entire system control is fully automated from the switch cabinet of the BTS plant. The electrical actuation, distribution and monitoring are installed in a separate container unit. The Buchen BTS tank cleaning system offers considerable advantages for the customer in comparison with conventional cleaning. Reduced downtime, thanks to quicker cleaning. Minimization of waste disposal costs, thanks to reduction of residues in the closed tank. More crude oil and hydrocarbons, thanks to very high recovery rates. Protection for system and staff, thanks to the high safety standards of a closed system. And improved environmental protection, thanks to minimized pollutant emissions. The BTS tank cleaning system from Buchen Environmental Service. Safe, quick and environmentally friendly.